I'm so glad that you're here. There's nothing better than pizza on a weekend, right? So I'm going to show you how I tried to make the Detroit style pizza that keeps getting advertised on TV. It just looked amazing and I wanted to try it. So I am gonna walk you through the steps. I'll leave a full recipe in the description box below. I just used a regular crust that I always use when I do anything pizza related, and it comes out of the Betty Crocker cookbook. I think that's where I found it. But it is so good. I don't know. It's better than bought pizza. And I think I really liked it because the sauce was not on the bottom. It was on the top instead. And it wasn't fully sauced. It's just lines of sauce. You'll see as I put it together. I'm not going to talk through it. I'm going to let you just enjoy some music and watch along the way. And then I'm going to recap at the very end. So if you want to hear if my husband liked it, he is not a big pizza fan, but I was surprised by his reaction.
Killing time, Friday night. Found a photograph of us without cares and worn out clothes. Doesn't seem so long ago. Now I'm just sitting here bored at home, and it really got me thinking of the times we took off on the road. I can't remember where we headed that night. We were cruising around town in Memphis, running the lights. I just know how it felt. I won't forget that. Windows down and open top. But we were clever not to take it too far, though it's hard not getting tempted. Calling you up to see how you've been, 'cause don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. Way back then. It's funny how times roll by. Is it 12 years since last time? Where'd you go and what's the score? Did you find what you were looking for? I never see you anymore. I can't remember what we did that day. We were blowing off steam in Paris, but I wanted to stay 'cause I know how it felt when we raised hell. I won't forget that. But we were clever not to take it too far, though it's hard not getting tempted. Calling you up to see how you've been, 'cause don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. Way back then. Killing time, Friday night. Found a photograph of us. I can't remember what we did that time. We were spending one night in Venice. It just slipped my mind. I just know how it felt. I won't forget that. Windows down and open top. But we were clever not to take it too far, though it's hard not getting tempted. Calling you up to see how you've been, 'cause don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. Way back then. Way back then. You can't turn the tide. Let the water go where it wants to go. You can run and hide. You can bury yourself beneath the stones. Somebody told me take a breath. Let me be a part of something real.
You guys in a weird position there. You're my pen caddy. I forgot to bring my tripod with me, and I just haven't made time to do the intro and outro, so thanks for hanging out with me today. I will tell you that I had made an alternative meal for my husband that night, and it's something that he really loves, but I'm not such a big fan of. So it was a good night to do, and I knew everyone would be happy. He had to taste the pizza though. And you know what he told me? He said had he known that was going to be that good, he wouldn't have had me make the other meal. So I finally have a pizza recipe that we all love. I love a good deep dish crust. Thin crust is okay too, but it's not as satisfying as a thick crust. The only thing different I would have done is probably added more cheese and maybe did another layer of cheese and pepperoni on top of the cheese and pepperoni layer that I had. I think that would make it the bomb diggity. Of course, I like jalapenos on my pizza, and 3 out of 4 of us like bell pepper and onion as well. So I'm definitely going to remake it. In fact, I made that this past Saturday. Today is Friday already, and I almost wanted to make it again today, but I decided we're just going to have sandwiches and chips. Make it easy. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope if you give it a try, let me know. It was the closest thing I knew that I could come up with that would be for the recipe I wanted to try. So, I don't know. It's so good. So good. I'm kind of regretting not getting the ingredients to make it again. I know what I'm going to do. I'm not making it today, but I am going to make it again soon. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.